Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Skoda Superb 2015 to 2023? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Skoda Superb 2016 is designed to protect and organize fuses that control vital engine and electrical systems. It ensures safe and reliable functioning of these components while providing easy access for inspection, replacement, and maintenance of fuses. The engine compartment fuse box in the Skoda Superb 2017 safeguards and organizes fuses for key engine and electrical systems. It ensures dependable performance of these components while allowing convenient access for fuse inspection, replacement, and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the Skoda Superb 2018 and 2019 protects and organizes fuses that manage essential engine and electrical systems. It ensures safe and efficient operation of these components while offering easy access for inspection, replacement, and regular maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the Skoda Superb 2020 to 2023 is designed to safeguard vital vehicle systems by preventing electrical overloads. It protects circuits for the engine control unit, ignition, fuel pump, headlights, and braking systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 Skoda Superb protects and organizes fuses for essential interior electrical systems, including the airbag system, lighting, and parking assistance. It ensures safe and reliable operation of all cabin electronics. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2017 Skoda Superb protects and organizes fuses for essential interior electrical systems like airbags, lighting, and parking assistance. It provides easy access for inspection, maintenance, and fuse replacement. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Skoda Superb protects and organizes fuses for key interior electrical systems, including airbags, lighting, and parking assistance. It ensures the cabin electronics operate safely and reliably. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2020 and 2023 Skoda Superb is located behind the glove compartment on the driver's side. To access it, open the glove compartment, unlock the brake rod, and fold down the compartment. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.